Welcome to Closet Care. In this episode, I'm gonna teach you how to clean, mend, and upcycle your denim. You don't need to be a designer or a pro to transform a pair of jeans. You just need the right guidance and a little creativity. Grab your jeans and let's get started. So let me show you the best way to clean your denim. You take your damp cloth and wetten the spot a little bit. Then you take your brush and now you start to gently rub the dirt away. Take care here because you don't want to hurt the fabric. When the spot is dry, your pants should look as good as new. Let's be real, at some point everyone throws their denim into the washing machine. Just make sure to turn them inside out, use cold water, and skip the fabric softener. Your jeans will thank you, and they will last way longer. So now we start with patching. There are two different techniques of patching. Either you sew it with the hand or you take an iron and just iron the patch on. I take my patch and my needle with a thread that matches the color of my denim. Then you place the patch underneath the hole and just start hand stitching. So you just put the needle in from behind, then you pull the thread through and then back stitch again. Easy, right? Now let's start with upcycling. For that, we take our pair of pants and turn them into something totally new. All we need is a pair of scissors, pins, measuring tape, and some extra fabric. We're gonna add the fabric to the side of the pants. So you take your measuring tape and place it right here. Let's say 70 centimeters. And then you have to open the side with a seam ripper. You can, for example, also just take scissors here. Then we take our extra fabric. Now we're gonna cut a triangle. Jeans. Now you turn the pants inside out. Pin the triangle onto the pants. So when you finish with pinning, you just sew along this line that is already there. Instead of washing your jeans, maybe just place them in the freezer overnight because that kills bacteria and it keeps them crisp. Ready to get started? Try these tips to love your denim longer.